Hi and welcome to another edition of the weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday the 8th of June. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with China trade balance and also Japanese GDP for Q1 data on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for Eurozone GDP figures. Going forward, China and US consumer price index for May, in addition to the weekly crude oil inventories and also Fed interest rate decision and FOMC press conference, will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, the main economic data release is reserved for US jobless claims data. The week will finish on Friday with UK manufacturing, industrial production and GDP figures for April. Also, US Michigan consumer sentiment is due. Now, let's take a look at few markets. This is a euro dollar. Euro dollar also saw this massive breakout out of this consolidation range around 1.10, 1.1050, and subsequently we are moving higher. This is the intraday price. The price is creating higher highs and higher lows, and it's supported by this rising trend line and multiple moving averages. So key trading level going forward is at 112.20 support, pullbacks to that level and a rally higher or a gradual move higher and a breakout above these current highs very close to 1.14 could be perceived to be quite bullish, potentially opening the way for an extension to the upside and retest of additional resistances towards 1.1440, 1.15 levels. Alternatively, if you see a dip lower and an end of day close below 112.20, retest of that level from underneath, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move towards 1.10, 1.1050, which would be a retest of this breakout level. And a significant support, retest of a significant support for. This is sterling dollar. Sterling dollar appears to be moving higher as well. We can see a breakout above this falling resistance trend line. Key trading level is at 125.30. As long as 125.30 offers support, so pullbacks to that level and a rally from there, or a gradual breakout above 1.2760 would be perceived to be quite bullish, opening the way for a gradual move higher and an extension to the upside towards 1.29, possibly even 1.30, which would be a nice and round number, and also close to the previous lows and highs. Alternatively, if you see a dip lower and an end of day close below 125.30, retest of that level from underneath, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move targeting 124.40, 124, 123, 122 supports to the downside. Dollar Japanese yen also broke out higher out of this sideways trading range. It's quite bullish at the moment. The key trading level for us is at 108.44. As long as the pullbacks to that level and a rally from there incentivize bulls to come in and engage, that could indicate a continuation of this breakout, potentially targeting 110, 110.50, 111, possibly even 111.50 on the upside. Alternatively, if you see a pullback to 108.50 and a loss of that level, a retest of that level from underneath, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move and retest of additional supports towards 108, 107.60.